Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. How about this delicious fungi and fish, aka Turn Cornmeal and fish? Let me show you how I do this quick and easy one.
Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth. Yeah, hear me. Want know what the on the menu, so me pull. Don't know everything.
I put my pot on the fire to boil with some water, add some cut up okra and some onion, along with some garlic powder, some onion powder, some complete seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of salt. Yes. Now I add some butter after mixing this out. And then scoop down a little, and then it's time to add my cornmeal. You can add your cornmeal dry or you can wet it if you want. So I'm mixing constantly until I get this creamy, smooth texture. And this is what it looks like. Now I lower my flame and make me turn cornmeal go and cook. In Antigua and Barbuda, we call it fungi. And this is where I get this style with using the okra. Because I spent some time in Antigua and Barbuda. As a matter of fact, I'm a citizen of Antigua and Barbuda. Yes, multicultural, yes, I mean that. Yeah, mix this all out and stir it in. Turn cornmeal ready. Look pan it. Serve with my brown stew fish along with some colored green. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Blessings to all. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man.